wondered how planes fly? Well, I can explain to you in less than 3 minutes. You first need to know the name of the force allowing things to fly. That's lift. No, not that lift. That lift. Lift is the force letting you travel to your dream vacation. So, how's lift created? Magic? Wingardium Leviosa. It all comes from the wings. The concept of lift is actually a very controversial topic. Many people made theories to the generation of lift, but failed. The historical explanation of using Bernoulli's equation is actually wrong. In air, we need to consider velocity, pressure, density, temperature, and viscosity all at the same time. Air viscosity is like the stickiness of air molecules. For example, water has a lower viscosity compared to syrup. If one air molecule moves, then the air molecules surrounding it will follow. If you describe the relationship between these 5 things, we get the Navier-Stokes equations. We can use these equations to understand the effects of lift. Now these equations are super complicated. Well, you're in luck. I will show you a simple explanation to how wings gain their lift. Let's take a look at this wing right here. If we were to split it in half, you would get an airfoil. The airfoil is what gives the wing its lift. But how? Physics? I have a model to show you how air travels over the airfoil. As you can see, the air streamline over the wing sticks to the surface, but why not just continue to go straight? This is known as a Coanda effect. The Coanda effect is the tendency of a jet flow to stay attached to a curved surface. That's why pitchers are shaped with a sharp point at the end to minimize the Coanda effect. Without it, you'll spill everywhere. The reason to why the Coanda effect works is because on a curved streamline, the pressure above the fluid particle is greater than the pressure below. This applies the force that makes the air streamline stick to the side of the wing. Due to this pressure gradient on a curved streamline, there will also be a change in pressure on the airfoil. Let's take a look. As the streamline goes over the wing, the pressure above the streamline is higher than below. That being said, there will be low pressure above the airfoil and high pressure below the airfoil. Because there's more pressure below the airfoil than above, there will be more force acting upon the bottom side than on the top. This causes lift. And when a plane changes its angle of attack, there will be a more curved streamline, thus more lift. Lift is everywhere. Planes, drones, birds, and pretty much anything that flies. So, the next time you sit in an airplane, or even fly an airplane, you know how lift is created.